आज हम लेसन 1 3 क्वेश्चंस के क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे, ठीक है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाई डिड द किंग वांट टू नो आंसर ऑफ 3 क्वेश्चंस। आंसर क्या है इसका? द किंग वांटेड टू नो आंसर ऑफ 3 क्वेश्चंस बिकॉज ऑफ द थॉट केम टू हिज माइंड दैट ही वुड नेवर फेल इफ ही न्यू आंसर ऑफ दीज 3 क्वेश्चंस। ओके। सेकंड क्वेश्चन है, मैसेंजर्स वर सेंट थ्रू आउट द किंगडम। किस लिए भेजे थे मैसेंजर्स थ्रू आउट द किंगडम? पूरी किंगडम में कहाँ किस लिए भेजे थे? इसका आंसर क्या होगा? इनमें से छांटना हमें। टू फैच वाइज मैन, टू फाइंड आंसर टू द क्वेश्चन, टू लुक फॉर द वाइज हर्मिट, टू अनाउंस ए रिवार्ड फॉर दोज हु कुड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस। इनमें से एक चॉइस हमने निकालना, तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? फोर्थ वाला होगा, टू अनाउंस ए रिवार्ड फॉर दोज हु कुड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस। पेज नंबर 14 पे जो कॉम्प्रिहेंशन चेक है उसके करते हैं हम। Complete the following sentence by adding the appropriate part of the sentence given in the box. Many wise men answered the king's questions. क्या है इसमें आगे? But their answer was so varied that the king was not satisfied. ये तुमने अपने लेसन में ही है, उनमें से ही तुमने ये सेंटेंस ढूंढने और उसके अंदर ऐड करने हैं, ठीक है। Someone suggests that there should be a council of wise men. इसके आगे क्या आएगा? To help the king at the right time. थर्ड क्या है? Someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable and follow it strictly. ठीक है। The king requested the hermit to answer 3 questions. फिफ्थ है, the king washed and dressed the bearded man wound, but the bleeding would not stop. अब इसमें आगे देखते हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर क्या है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, Why was the king advised to go to the magician? आंसर क्या है? The answer to the first question, in order to decide the right time for doing something urgent, one must have to look into the future. Since only magician could do that, the king was advised to go to magicians. Second question है, in answer to the second question, whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? इसका आंसर क्या है? The answer to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors, others said the priests, a few others chose the doctors, and yet others said that soldiers were the most necessary. Third question है, what suggestions made in answer to the third question? इसका आंसर क्या बनेगा? The answer to the third question, some said science will be the most important, others suggest fighting, and some said religious worship. Okay. Did the wise man win the reward? If not, why not? इसका आंसर क्या है? No, the wise man did not win the reward. The king got different for all 3 questions he asked. He was not satisfied with any of them. Fifth question क्या है? How did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? आंसर क्या है इसका? The king and the hermit helped the wounded man, provided him the shelter and protected from the army. The king washed and covered the wound of the man with his handkerchief, but the blood would not stop flowing. The king redressed the wound until it stopped bleeding. They took him to hut for taking rest, and king also gave him fresh water after being relaxed. Okay. The sixth question का first part क्या है? Who was the bearded man? आंसर क्या है इसका? Bearded man was the enemy of the king who swore to revenge him from seizing of his property and putting his brother to death. सेकेंड पार्ट है सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन का, वाई डिड ही आस्क फॉर किंग्स फॉरगिवनेस? इसका आंसर है, ही आस्क्ड फॉर किंग्स फॉरगिवनेस एज द किंग हैड सेव्ड हिज लाइफ. ही केम देयर फॉर टेकिंग रिवेंज फ्रॉम द किंग, बट इंस्टेड ऑफ किंग हेल्प्ड हिम टू गेट बेटर. सेवंथ क्वेश्चन है, द किंग फॉरगेव द बियर्डेड मैन एंड बट किंग फॉरगेव द बियर्डेड मैन, व्हाट डिड ही डू to show his forgiveness? Answer है, the king showed his forgiveness by sending his servants and his own doctor to look after him and he promised to give back the wounded man his property. 8th question है, what were the hermit's answer to the 3 questions? Write each answer separately. Which answer do you like most and why? इसमें है the answer to king's first question. The hermit said that there is only one important time now. ठीक है, it is the only time when you have power to act. ठीक है. The answer to the king's second question, the hermit said that the most important person is the one with whom we are at the present. In response to the king's second question, the hermit answered that the most important thing is to do, सेकेंड नहीं बेटी, ये थर्ड है. ठीक है, ठीक है, तो यहाँ थर्ड आएगा. आगे क्या है, द रिस्पॉन्स इन रिस्पॉन्स टू द किंग्स थर्ड क्वेश्चन द हर्मिट आंसर दैट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग टू डू इज टू डू द पर्सन गुड. I like the answer of the first question the most because the time has the supreme power. It can take you to the heights if you do something good and can also make you fall on ground if you won't act in presence. One should live and act according to present. Okay, ये complete हो गया हमारे आंसर. ओके, ठीक है बेटा, थैंक यू.